Hello everybody, this is the new software to improve your video views on social media platforms such as Instagram and TikTok and YouTube to boost your views and make it faster from day one. So what does it essentially do? It's you select your file, you select the device because if your video showing made on a new device, I even added extra devices just in case. So let's say we have iPhone Pro and we select the iOS version. So this software embedding this metadata inside your MP4 file that potentially made either on CapCut and other Adobe Premiere. So it won't work then compared to this iPhone creation. So whatever made on iPhone usually rank higher, and you can easily fix, especially on your business accounts, because usually you made it on different editing software. But if you embed this metadata, you get 10 times more views and your performance will be improved. So, and another thing is date range creation. It means you can change the creation date to the future date. For example, today's 28 April. I can change the creation date of the video file to the future date. And even if there are menu files, if I selected 100 files, like from the folder, it will randomly create them in a future date. Another important feature is location. So you know that inside your video file, you can embed the location where it was shot. So I made a template list the most popular locations from their downtown. For example, you can say the video was shot on iPhone in Seattle, Washington in these dates. And the most important after this, it goes to the keywords. And it's again, this is the template. And you can generate, I made it as a template. It's easy to edit. It's an external file. You can just open up and edit if you need the template, or you can just write it right here. For example, business ideas, 2025, usually really ranking higher and then whatever related to your video and is being injected inside the metadata to your MP4 file. And in a process, you can click Start Processing. In the summary, you will see the device, the location. It's all of them. It uses the old standard iPhone type of metadata. So whatever you do with your file, if you use this software, your videos will get more views. Your account on Instagram will get higher performance, higher ranking, and more video you upload using this software will get you better performance long term. And this is really cool. I tested it on accounts that had very low view, like only 2,000 views on one of my clients, and they were editing they had editor in India. And the editor was posting their content from that phone in India. So what we did, we just use this software. We fixed the MP4 files, and he'd been posting it, and we see a significant improvement just within a few days. So this software is really, like I would say, like an improver. I'm not saying it anything else. It's improving the performance of your metadata, and I'll help your algorithm to rank in your location. Because if your video made not in these areas, for example, somewhere in Philippines, then you cannot. Instagram can see the original file creation. It can see the device and everything. It can see the old Android device, and your video won't be performing as good as the iPhone videos that they originally made to have the titles and everything. This is the title, this is the content preview. So everything, whatever you embed inside your MP4 file, naturally MP4 file, it won't go as external anything. It will embed inside their original metadata. And if you use it, you really see improving on entire your marketing strategy. Either you run YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads, and you want to boost your targeting with better CPMs, better performance, better engagement. This is the quick hack to get your video going faster.